Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about properties of integers, closure property under subtraction. Now here statement and conclusion. 6 minus 3. 6 is a one integer, 3 is a one integer. So the operation between them is a minus. It means subtraction. So what we get here? 3. 3 is also an integer. Now the difference is an integer. Next, minus 10 and minus 2. Minus 10, minus 2. Minus 10 also integer, minus 2 also integer. So here we get a minus 12. Here minus 10 is one of the integer and a plus 2 is one of the integer. But operation is a minus. So we get only minus 12. So difference also an integer. Minus 3, minus 0. We will get minus 3. The difference also be an integer. Minus 5, minus 6. We get a minus 11. So the difference of these two integers we will get an integer. Now minus 2, minus of minus 3. What we get here? Now observe. So minus 2, minus of minus 3 becomes plus. That's why minus 2 plus 3 we will get a plus 1. So here the difference of minus 2 and minus 3 is plus 1. Plus 1. So now the difference is an integer. Minus 4, minus of minus 4. What we get here? Minus 4. It's minus of minus. We will get a plus 4. This sum is a 0. 0 also an integer. So the difference is an integer. Next, one more example. 7 minus of minus 6. So the difference between 7 and minus 6. We will get here 7 and minus of minus is a plus. So 7 plus 6 we get 13. So 13 also an integer. The difference is an integer. Now by observation from this table, difference of any two integers always an integer. So integers are satisfied closure property under subtraction. Now in general, for any two integers a and b, a minus b also an integer. This property known as a closure property under subtraction. Now commutative property under subtraction, it is satisfied or not, we will check them here. Now here statement 1 and statement 2 and conclusion. Here same. Now 5 minus of minus 6. 5 minus of minus 6. What we get here? It's a 5 plus 6. Minus of minus is a plus. So plus 6 we get a 11. And in statement 2, minus 6 minus 5. Here minus 6 subtracted from plus 5. Here plus 5 subtracted from minus 6. What we get here? Now here minus 11. In statement 1 we will get a plus 11. In statement 2 minus 11. These are not equals. So that's why we conclude that 5 minus of minus 6 is not equal minus 6 minus 5. Next, second example, minus 9 minus 8, we will get a minus 17. 8 minus minus 9, we will get a plus 17. In statement 1 and 2, we could not get the same answer here. That's why the difference is not equals. So now here minus 9 minus 8 is not equal 8 minus minus 8. Now minus 4 minus of minus 5, we get a minus 4, here minus of minus plus 5. Now here what we get here, plus 1. Now the plus 1 is our answer for this first statement. In statement 2, here minus 5 minus of minus 4, we get same answer or not, just we check. Minus 5 minus of minus 4 is a plus 4, and we get a minus 1. In statement 1 and statement 2, we observe here it's a plus 1, it's a minus 1. So both are not equals. Now by conclusion, here minus 4 minus of minus 5 is not equal to minus 5 minus of minus 4. 3 minus 4, we will get a minus 1, and 4 minus 3, we will get a plus 1. In this case, easily we understood here, it's a minus 1, it's a plus 1. Both are not equals. So now here 3 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 3. From this table, by observation, integers are not satisfied commutative property under subtraction. In general, for any two integers a and b, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. This property known as a commutative property under subtraction. Now here associative property under subtraction. Now we will observe, take more examples, statement 1, statement 2 and conclusion. In statement 1, in associative property, we will take 3 integers. First we subtract first 2 integers, and after that third integer subtracted from that one. Now here subtract first 2 integers. 2 minus 3, what will we get here? Minus 1. And the next third integer is a minus 1. We will get a minus 1. In statement 2, here last 2 integers are subtracted, and after then that result are subtracted from first integer. Now we will check here. Now subtract last 2 integers here. Now 2 minus 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is, we will get a minus 1. So 2 minus of minus 1. We will get a minus of minus 1 is a plus 1, and 2 plus 1 is a plus 3. Now here we observe here in statement 1, here minus 5, and here in statement 2 plus 3. Both are not equals. Here now we will conclude that 2 minus 3 minus 4 is not equal to 2 minus of 3 minus 4. And one more example, minus 3 minus 6 minus of minus 5. We will do first 2 integers. Now here minus 3 minus 6, we will get a minus 9. So minus of minus, we will get a plus 5. So now here minus 5 plus 5. So minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. And in second statement here, what will we get here? Now minus 3 and minus of plus 6 minus of minus 5 is a plus 5. So that's why minus 3 minus 11 we will get a plus 14. Now from these two statements we conclude that here minus 3 minus 6 minus of minus 5 is not equal to minus 3 minus of 6 minus 5. Next, in third example, minus 1 minus of minus 2 minus 1 minus of minus 2 minus of minus 6. First we will do first two integers. So here now, so in first case minus 1, it's a minus of minus 2 is a plus 2, and next minus of minus 6, next here is a 1 and minus of minus 6 is a plus 6. So we will get here plus 7. And in statement 2, first we do last two integers here. Now minus 1 of minus 2 minus of minus 6, and minus 1 first integer, and what is the result of last two integers? It is a minus 2 and plus 6, minus 2 and plus 6. Here next minus 1 and minus 1 minus 4 we will get minus 5. Now here in statement 1 we get here 7, and in statement 2 we get a minus 5. These are not equals. So here minus 1 minus of minus 2 minus of minus 6 is not equal to minus 1 minus of minus 2 minus of minus 6. From this table we observe if a comma b comma c are integers, a minus b minus c, if we do like this, a minus b first do and minus c, and in second condition, so a minus b minus c, if we do b and c subtracted, and now the result of b minus c subtract from ac, we could not get same results by statement 1 and statement 2. By observation, integers are not satisfied associative property under subtraction. Here in general any three integers a comma b and c, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus of b minus c. This is known as associative property under subtraction. Thank you for watching.